How to delete saved Wi-Fi network on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down. You will see first option is Connections. So click on Connections. Now here click on Wi-Fi. So after click on Wi-Fi, so click on this settings icon. So after click on this settings icon, so click on view more. So if you want to delete Wi-Fi network, so click on forget. So after click on forget, you will see Wi-Fi network is delete. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can delete save Wi-Fi networks on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.